Want to work smarter, create faster, and stay ahead in 2025? Here are the top 5 best AI tools for productivity, content creation, and business. Let's dive in. First up is Perplexity AI, the smartest AI search engine of 2025. Get instant, reliable answers for research, content, or business. No more endless scrolling. It's a must-have for students, professionals, and creators who want fast, accurate information. Next is Heygen, the leading AI video creation tool. Make professional videos in minutes. Just type your script, pick an AI avatar, and Heygen does the rest. Perfect for marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to create engaging video content quickly. Third is Suno AI, the top AI music generator for 2025. Instantly create original, royalty-free music for YouTube, podcasts, or social media. Just describe your vibe, and Suno AI delivers the perfect soundtrack. No music skills needed. At number 4, Notebook LM by Google, the smartest AI note-taking app. Organize, summarize, and interact with your notes using advanced AI. It's ideal for students, researchers, and anyone who wants to learn and work more efficiently. Finally, Flux AI, a powerful AI image generator for 2025. Creates stunning images, graphics, and digital art from simple text prompts. Designers, marketers, and content creators can bring ideas to life with just a few words. These tools are set to revolutionize your workflow in 2025. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cutting-edge AI insights.